All right, so here's the thing. I love great food. Second thing, I love great Greek food. The third thing lately is I've been on this keto thing and trying to kind of, manage all this. I know it's hard to believe, but anyway. And I decided to make a recipe or write a recipe that is delicious, has some Greek in it, and is keto friendly. So for this recipe, I am using a pound of pork loin, a mayonnaise and Dijon mustard marinade or coating with, of course, a little bit of feta. Can't forget of the feta. This has got good fats in it. It is totally keto friendly and absolutely delicious. And today I want to show you how to make it in just a few easy steps. And it's a meal you can make any day of the week, any night of the week. You can make it for lunch. Basically, preheat your oven 375 degrees Fahrenheit or about 180 degrees Celsius and get that out of the way. I've pre-cut up my pork loin here. So it's into like pieces that you can easily marinate or coat. So that's a good thing. First things first, I'm gonna get our bowl here and start with the mayo. The mayo I'm using is just regular mayo. You can use a couple of good heaping tablespoons. Next thing is a couple of tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and that will go in. Pretty much equal parts Dijon and mayo. A couple of tablespoons of Greek extra virgin olive oil will go in. Very, very simple to do. And the last part of this is part of my Greek life support system. It's perfect for the nightstand. It works, it's amazing. And for this, I'm gonna cut up or grind up about close to 100 grams, 80 to 100 grams of feta. And what you're gonna do is very simply just crumble this up, just like that, and let that kind of, big chunks, small chunks, it doesn't really matter, because, oh, there it goes. And what you're gonna do is eventually just mix this up. So for this, I'm just gonna grab a fork, very easy, and it's gonna become almost like a paste. And that's what you want, because once this coats our pork, what's going to wind up happening is it's going to melt in the cooking process. And this doesn't take very much time at all. You're talking maybe 45 minutes of cooking time. And that's pretty much done and ready to go. So we're going to bring in our pork, take our mixture here and just pour it over the pork and just use our hands. This isn't exactly the neatest thing, but it's actually therapeutic. Feels pretty good. So just coat everything here, all your pork as evenly as you can. Bring in our pan over here, and in a single layer, spread out your pork on the pan, on your sheet pan, which is what I'm using. In this case, I'm using a 9 by 13. Whatever, you can make this to as much pork as you want. You could even try this with chicken, that will work. Beef will work as well. Lamb, without a doubt. So here we have our pork ready to go. And I'm going to take a little bit extra of this mixture. I know it doesn't look the greatest right now, but trust me, once this goes in the oven and it comes out, it will be absolutely fantastic. All right, perfect. Just like that. And we're ready to go. So I'm going to pop this into our 375 degree oven for about 40 to 45 minutes. And after that, I will show you how it turns out. All right, so it's been about 45 minutes or so. This is right out of the oven. It is actually screaming hot, hot as sin. Trust me on this, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. With a capital wow. That's how good this is. It's done to absolute perfection. It's absolutely amazing. I know it's like still screaming hot, but I'm gonna try it. Try a little piece, and just to see how that works. Oh my God. Throw a little bit of the feta on there. It's actually melted. So good. So this is my pork loin recipe with Dijon mayo and feta. It forms a beautiful crust. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really hope you guys tried this because A, it's delicious, B, it's easy to make, and I'm the king of easy and cheats, so this is right up my alley. And C, it's also keto friendly. So, what can I tell you? So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, share this, give me any input, ideas. I would love to hear from them. And until next time, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.